I just want to start this video off by saying of 2020 to spring and summer of 2020. I have big vlogs on the way and big videos on the way too. You feel what I'm saying? Concerts, trips, basketball. But, this whole little thing is going on. This coronavirus is going around, ruining plans. It's over. It's just over, guys. Like, get ready for next year. We'll try again next year. And I'm bringing y'all another video. And this is a whole new intro because obviously the first intro I didn't like after revising it and re-looking at it. So, you feel what I'm saying? This is a whole new intro. So, yeah. But basically, I'm almost done with my denim graduation. You feel what I'm saying? I'm not going to show y'all yet because y'all going to see it in the time lapse regardless. But, moral of the story, yeah. I don't know what else to say. So already, either ways, go ahead and like this video at the end if you actually like this and you actually like watching things like this. You'll feel what I'm saying? I'm not going to force you to do anything, but it'll be very supportive if you actually would just, watch the videos, like the videos, comment, and share with them. Obviously, that's how we grow. That's how people grow around here. That's how you show support. At the end of the day, all this is free at the end of the day. It costs 0 cents and $0 to support. 0 cents and $0 to like, and 0 cents and $0 to repost. You feel what I'm saying? So it's all about showing love at the end. This is just the intro. I'm not trying to talk too much about this. I'm not trying to talk too much. So like I said, go ahead and like this video, share it, subscribe, sub-a-dub-dub, and yeah, I'll catch y'all on the end of this video. Alright, y'all, so we're and finished with the jacket overall. I like how it came out. Here's what it looks like. You know what I'm saying? Obviously, it's Tupac. Keep your head up at the top of what it says. I am my worst enemy when it comes to art, so I criticize myself a lot when it comes to my artwork, but at the end of the day, you know, in other people's perspectives, they might think it's the best thing they ever saw. But in my eyes, I'm just like, I could do better than this. But, you know, I'm my own worst critic, so you feel what I'm saying? I'm pretty satisfied with what I've done. I do be slacking on practicing on art in general because I'm just a very lazy person, so you know what I'm saying? I could get a lot more things done, and my work could be a lot more smoother and a lot more, you know, efficient if I just do it. You know what I'm saying? So that just be myself. So 2020, we doing nothing but straight work. You know what I'm saying? And YouTube gonna help this. YouTube is gonna help a lot with just having strong work ethic as a whole. But overall, I like the jacket. I am most definitely gonna wear the jacket because I made it, and this was my favorite jacket to begin with. So you know what I'm saying. But like I said, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and comment whether or not you liked it or not. If you didn't like it, I mean, I don't know what to tell you because you're not rocking it at the end of the day. But also share this with your friends and family. I mean, I'm on a road to 100, 1,000, and then the next. It goes up from there. So you feel what I'm saying? All support is great support at the end of the day. So you feel what I'm saying? Like, I appreciate every single one of y'all that watches this video, that honestly supports me, that honestly believes that, you know, I could be a great artist. And that's what my intentions are at the end of the day, to be the best artist that I can be. But I'm gonna have some B-roll footage playing, and that's the end for this video. So I'll catch y'all later on in another video. It's on with y'all.
Just hit a button, Morty. Give me a beat. Oh man. Okay. All right.